an easy explanation for beginners, and step-by-step guide. How to start mining for cryptocurrency. Are you new to the world of cryptocurrency and have been hearing a lot about mining but aren't quite sure what it means? Don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about mining using Miner, in a way that even a layman can understand. Introduction. Welcome to my channel, where I make complex topics easy to understand. Today, we're going to talk about mining, one of the most crucial aspects of cryptocurrency, and how using a miner can help you earn some extra income. What is mining? Mining is the process of adding transaction records to a blockchain, a public ledger of all cryptocurrency transactions. Miners compete with each other to solve complex mathematical problems to verify these transactions and add them to the blockchain. The first miner to solve the problem and add the transaction to the blockchain is rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. How does Miner help in mining? Miners are specially designed computer programs or hardware that perform the complex computations to solve the mathematical problems required for mining. Using a miner simplifies the process of mining and increases your chances of winning the reward. Types of miners. There are two main types of miners, GPU and ASIC. GPU miners use the graphics processing unit of your computer to perform the computations, whereas ASIC miners are specifically designed for mining and are much more powerful and efficient. How to start mining? To start mining, you'll need to download mining software and create a wallet to store your cryptocurrency earnings. You can choose between solo mining and pool mining, where you join forces with other miners to increase your chances of solving the puzzle and earning the reward. Step-by-step guide. How to start mining for cryptocurrency. Are you excited to participate in the world of digital currencies? Cryptocurrency mining can be a lucrative venture, but it can also be daunting for novices. Don't worry. In this step-by-step guide, we will provide you with all the essential information to kickstart your mining journey. Research and choose the right cryptocurrency. Before diving into mining, you need to find the right cryptocurrency to mine. Bitcoin and Ethereum are popular choices, but there are many options available. Research and consider factors such as mining difficulty, potential profitability, and long-term viability. Only choose the one that best suits your goals and resources. Select the mining equipment. To mine cryptocurrency, you need specialized hardware called mining rigs. The hardware required depends on the cryptocurrency you choose. For instance, Bitcoin mining requires ASIC miners, while Ethereum mining can be done with GPUs. Research the hardware requirements for your chosen cryptocurrency and invest in the appropriate equipment. Visual. Mining rig components. Shot 3. Set up a mining rig. Once you have your mining equipment, it's time to set up your mining rig. Assembling the hardware components and connecting them properly is crucial. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully, as each mining rig may have specific setup requirements. Visual. Assembling and connecting mining rig components. Shot 4. Choose a mining pool, optional. Joining a mining pool is recommended for beginners. Mining pools are communities of miners who combine their resources to increase their chances of successfully mining blocks. They share the rewards among members based on their contribution. Research reputable mining pools for your chosen cryptocurrency and select one that suits your needs. Install mining software. Mining software is essential for connecting your mining rig to the cryptocurrency network and managing the mining process. Different cryptocurrencies have specific mining software options available. Download and install the appropriate software for your chosen cryptocurrency, following the instructions provided by the software developer. Configure mining software. Once the mining software is installed, configure it by entering your mining pool details, if applicable, and your cryptocurrency wallet address. Your wallet address is where you'll receive the mined coins. Refer to the software's documentation or online tutorials for guidance on how to configure the software correctly. Start mining. With your mining rig set up and software installed and configured, it's time to start mining. Launch the mining software and let it connect to the cryptocurrency network. The software will begin performing complex calculations to validate transactions and mine new blocks. Monitor the mining process through the software's interface, which will display vital statistics such as hash rate, temperature, and mining rewards. Stay informed and adapt. The cryptocurrency mining space is dynamic. Stay up to date with the latest news, developments, and advancements in this space. Engage with experienced miners to gain insights and join online communities, forums, and social media groups. Be prepared to adapt your mining strategy if mining difficulty and market conditions change. Remember, mining can consume significant electricity and generate heat, so ensure proper cooling and consider the associated costs. Also, be mindful of the legal and regulatory aspects of cryptocurrency mining in your region. EAS Tech Solutions. Visit us at www.eas-tech.com.